Now let's look at the transactions page. The transactions page will give you your quote-unquote transaction report. We can filter by service date or procedure posted. The default date range is 1 day like the day sheet, but we can stretch that out if needed. We can search for particular patients, but if we leave the Spotlight search blank, it's going to give us all patients for the given date range. And then we also can filter for offices and different exam rooms and our different payment profiles if you work with a lot of workers' comp or auto accident versus just your standard insurance and cash-based appointments. We can print this report by clicking on the green button here, or if we hit export all, we're going to get a comma separated value CSV file or spreadsheet in our message center. The transactions report will give us our dates of service, our patients, the CPT codes, the diagnosis pointers, and then also showed us our billed amount, the insurance payments received, patient payments, insurance balances, and patient balances as well. And on the far right, you can see specific notes for each one of these appointments for the patients.